No one can deny that investing in yourself is the most advantageous decision you will ever make. Personal growth and enrichment are essential to becoming who you want to be, as well as attaining financial success. When we reach a certain point in life, our ambition gravitates towards earning an income. The issue then becomes, how do we obtain these funds? We cannot just walk into any establishment asking for employment without preparations beforehand. Life isn't always fair, and sadly not all skills pay the same. While you can generate an income with any skill such as cooking or cleaning, other lucrative areas like accounting and marketing will require specialized training from university-level courses. That said, no matter what your unique talent is, be it cutting grass or hair, there's always a way to monetize it in today's market. If you want to increase your wealth, it's essential to know which degrees are the most profitable. To make that easier for you, we've compiled a list of the highest-paying college degrees around the world in today's video. Be sure not to miss out on this valuable information and watch through to the end. Now let's get started. Number 1. Sales. If you hold a degree in business administration, sales management, or organization leadership, then why not turn your knowledge into success and pursue a career as a sales manager? After all, making sales is essential for any organization to thrive. That's where the money comes from. As a successful manager, you will be responsible for setting ambitious targets and devising training plans so that representatives can deliver results. You'll also need to keep track of data so that strategies are well informed. With such an important role, there comes great reward. Increased profitability for the company could mean bonuses and other incentives on top of your salary. Experienced sales managers are responsible for projecting future sales and examining data to determine product-service profitability. They also create budgets, authorize expenses, examine customer requirements, and analyze sales statistics. Being successful in this role requires exceptional customer service skills to connect with clients effectively and respond promptly to their needs. With several years of active experience in the industry already behind them, only then can one assume such managerial roles confidently. Do you possess the knack for building and cultivating relationships? If so, then a degree in sales may be the perfect path to jumpstart your career. With this course of study, you can have an attractive salary ranging from $110,000 to $250,000. That's certainly not bad if we do say so. What are you waiting for? Start planning your future today by taking steps toward achieving a successful and rewarding career in sales. Number 2. Finance. Are you interested in a career that revolves around finance? If so, there are several degree paths worth exploring to get started. For instance, consider pursuing an education in finance, financial management, economics, or even business administration with a major emphasis on finance. As head of the financial department within any organization, financial managers must be well-versed in creating financial reports, directing investment strategies, and devising long-term plans to reach their employer's fiscal objectives. So if managing money is your passion, then now may be the time for you to make your move into this lucrative field. Financial managers are responsible for scrutinizing the organization's monetary accounts to discover areas where costs can be reduced and confirm that financial operations comply with legal regulations. They also oversee personnel handling financial data and budgets. As they report directly to executives, these professionals help in making vital fiscal decisions on behalf of their employers. Financial management requires an analytical approach along with strong mathematics and communication abilities. Working in this field demands excellent organizational skills to collaborate with executives and manage junior personnel. Plus, the salary is quite impressive, ranging anywhere between $140,000 to $450,000 per year. Taking up a degree in financial management can be incredibly rewarding if you are looking for a financially secure future. Number 3. Management Information Systems. Management Information Systems, or MIS, and information system degrees are extremely beneficial. Alternatively, if you wish to study computer science or IT with a specialization in IS, those would be viable options too. By obtaining an MIS or IS degree, you could become an information system manager, responsible for optimizing the computer systems of companies to meet their desired objectives. Information system managers are in charge of computer hardware and software, including monitoring the organization's network and assessing the advantages/disadvantages of new projects. Moreover, they supervise a variety of IT professionals such as computer system analysts, developers of software applications, information security analysts, among other experts. In addition, this high-demand role has an expected growth rate of 11% or higher until 2028, making it one of the most promising professions in today's world. With the right knowledge and abilities, you can reap financial rewards of up to $400,000 per year by pursuing a degree in this field. As demand for tech professionals rises each day, it is essential that those interested develop their business acumen as well as technical skills to succeed. Number 4. Marketing. As a marketing manager, you could command an enviable salary of up to $250,000 annually, and for good reason. After all, the success of any business is dependent on its ability to effectively market itself in order to attract potential customers. As such, marketers are essentially the gatekeepers ensuring that an organization's products and services not only reach but captivate audiences across the globe. Marketing managers are not only responsible for creating demand and maximizing profits, but also developing pricing strategies that reflect the consumer's demands in regards to existing products or services. Additionally, it's key to stay abreast of new trends and anticipate potential opportunities to offer innovative goods or services. By doing so, we can ensure our organizations remain competitive in today's market. Successful marketers possess both creative and analytical skills to assess industry trends, generate fresh concepts based on data analysis, organize tasks efficiently, and communicate effectively. In this digital age filled with ever-evolving marketing tactics and strategies, one must stay informed of the latest advancements in order to make their product or service stand out from the competition. A good marketer is not only observant, but also highly innovative. They have an eye for detail and can foresee potential outcomes that result from such changes. If you want to pursue a career in marketing, there are several paths you can take. A degree in marketing or marketing management is one option, while an undergraduate business administration program with a focus on marketing could be another route worth exploring. Number 5. Architecture. Architecture is an ancient calling that still holds great value in the present day. If you wish to construct your own home and other buildings, this profession will make it possible. As an architect, you'll be presented with numerous design obstacles of varying sizes and location across the world. A thrilling opportunity. An architect's degree is an esteemed one, requiring hours of study and hard work to obtain. Architects are the leaders of architectural companies. They generate new plans, designs, and products, while managing personnel, equipment, and budgeting needs for any project that comes their way. Moreover, architects examine the technical accuracy of their colleagues' works, as well as driving research and development initiatives in order to come up with fresh ideas. Becoming an architect means joining a team of highly qualified engineers, executives, shareholders, and construction managers who are committed to creating the best possible solutions. As such, it's essential for architects to possess great analytical skills in order to evaluate problems and generate innovative designs that will excel expectations. As an architect, you need to be capable of visualizing and innovating unique solutions for design problems. Although employed architects may not earn as much money, roughly $80,000, those who have founded their own practice are the ones who reap financial rewards. In fact, running your own private architecture firm can net you millions of dollars per year. Number 6. Aviation. For many people, growing up meant dreaming of becoming a pilot. Who wouldn't want to explore the world without having to pay for it? Plus, pilots get an awesome uniform, which is the icing on top of their generous salary, with most earning between $150,000 and $250,000 per year. Number 7. Software engineering. Pursuing a degree in software engineering or computer science can open up amazing career opportunities for aspiring students. This specialized curriculum usually leads to becoming a highly sought-after software developer, one of the most prized accomplishments in today's job market. Skilled software developers specialize in building applications that grant computers, smartphones, vehicles, and all other gadgets the functions that allow them to do their jobs. System software developers design operating systems and then craft custom solutions based on the research they conduct regarding user requirements. Furthermore, these professionals build the critical interface for organizations which allow them to run smoothly. To become a successful software engineer, you will need to possess excellent investigative abilities in order to decipher user requirements and adeptly craft effective software designs. Additionally, possessing strong problem-solving skills is important for debugging purposes. This career boasts an impressive projected growth of 21% between now and 2028, much higher than other potential occupations. Furthermore, experienced software engineers can expect salaries ranging from $100,000 to $200,000 depending on the organization they work for. Number 8. Actuarial science. If you possess an affinity for numbers, then actuarial science, mathematics, statistics, or economics may be the perfect degree for you. As an actuary, you put your skills to work by incorporating mathematics and statistics in order to assess financial risk factors for businesses. This data is used to create policies that bring down those costs associated with unfortunate events like accidents and natural disasters. With these specialized analytical abilities at your disposal, it's no surprise that this academic path has seen success. Actuaries are highly compensated professionals who use mathematical and analytical expertise to design, test, and assess insurance policies, investments, and pension plans, with the aim of realizing maximum profit while limiting risk exposure for businesses. As an actuary, you must possess strong communication skills in order to effectively address technical questions as well as convey logical recommendations. Math-minded individuals should leverage their aptitude into a lucrative career path with salaries that can reach up to $180,000 annually. Number 9. Medicine. Doctors are some of the most well-compensated professionals in the world, so if you would like to earn more than $300,000 a year, studying medicine is one surefire way. Medicine is not only an old profession, but also a very important and necessary one. People's health will always be in demand for as long as we exist, and medical school produces specialists such as nurses, dentists, and pharmaceutical engineers, amongst many other options. Healthcare occupations have great salary prospects, often with annual incomes around the six-figure range, plus they're projected to grow with each passing year. For those who feel called to save lives and create life-changing medicines, vaccines, and technology that will reduce the impact of illnesses, injuries, disabilities, or aging, this educational pathway is the most suitable. Although it may take a long time to learn, with some hefty student loans involved along the way, the reward for completing these studies is unlike any other. Number 10. Engineering. Earning an engineering degree is one of the greatest achievements a person can pursue. With their specialized training in mathematics and science, engineers are equipped with the necessary knowledge to provide solutions for various issues we face today. Of course, different areas of expertise require diverse types of engineers, from chemical or petroleum engineering to nuclear or telecommunication engineering. They are equally important, however. Pursuing a career in engineering is incredibly beneficial, and these types of degrees are some of the highest paying on the planet. Engineering professionals utilize scientific theories, mathematics, and products to test materials for various uses. From medicine to education, engineers create new solutions that help all kinds of fields grow. Salaries depend heavily upon skill level and experience. Junior engineers earn between $70,000 to $100,000 annually, while senior engineers may make as much as $400,000 per year. As you search for a career that pays well, take into account your passions and interests as well. Money is important, but make sure the job aligns with something you love to do. Otherwise, it may become difficult to stay motivated in the long run. These were some of the highest paying jobs currently available. However, this list certainly isn't exhaustive, so don't limit yourself. Here are 2 more videos you may find interesting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos like this, subscribe to the channel.